Hello guys and welcome to another video. And this is a video where we play Minecraft. And this time Tristan is not watching TV in this room. By the way, I shouldn't have said that. I might get
Mr. Happy Monkey, hashtag Flatland Adventures.
Yep, sorry, that just came up. Okay, load up. Please, Minecraft, I want to play you. I am very dramatic. Okay, I hope we play Mineplex. Let's play Mineplex today. So, let's play some Turf Wars. No, I don't want to play that. Let's play some Turf Wars. Yeah, I want to play it. Tristan made a weird song today. It's called... This is like the main part of the song. This is what he only said. It's getting pretty weird because I'm from another dimension. It's weird.
No, this is how you do it. It's getting little weird because I'm from another dimension. That's how you do it.
I know where this one here. So you are from another dimension. Aww. I don't want that. I have Infiltrator, but it's lagging like crazy, so I can't. Man, you know what? Sheep Quest is easier. You know what? Let's just not play that right now. Let's play City. It's getting pretty weird. I'm from another dimension. It's a little weird. I'm from another dimension. Where the heck am I? I'm at a village. It flooded. It flooded. Ooh, it made jungle wood. That's cool. Ah, okay. This is poisonous water? That's weird. I don't get it. What's over there? What's over here?
A lighting glitch.
Oh. Okay, that's weird. There's my city. Right over there. Boom. Okay, I should show you.
What does PT stand for?
President. There's the president's place. Here's a restaurant that I built. Here's the parking lot. Here's the crafting area. You'll know. This is the bigger plot for my ranch, which is right there. Is that glowstone? It's a glowstone. No, it's not. It's a quad. It is just a slab. You don't know 'cause a dimension. It's getting pretty weird. And this is the big baby.
You're killing me.
Why is it lagging? I don't like that. It's annoying. And plus it's making me not really build that good.
It's getting hot in here.
It's getting hot in here. I'm from another dimension. It's getting pretty weird. I'm from another dimension. Okay, now I'm actually pretty used to the lag, so.
Are you doing face cam?
Yeah, I think. I don't know. So, guys, I hope you like this. If you don't, I'm good with it. If you don't subscribe, I'm good. because I only have one subscriber, which it is
Me!
Mr. Happy Monkey, and maybe my mom someday. Mom, will you subscribe to me?
I don't have a YouTube thing, buddy. Or I sure would.
You look me up, then you'll see my YouTube user.
I know.
I just gotta make this video, then it will be on. Mom, this is the last practice. Well, not practice, but I had to make some practices.
Tristan, come throw your yogurt thing.
I had to make some practice videos
Or I'm gonna make you stay.
because I barely talked in 2 of them. And plus, it was a little bit mean on the other one. So I had to delete all of those. And this will be the final test. So, I hope you're having a good time. If you're on a vacation or anything, tell me if there's a pool there. Because I love pools so much. They're so fun.
Until the kid makes a floater.
And until a kid pees.
Or makes a floater.
What is a floater?
Poop.
Ugh. That's weird. I'm building something that you'll never know until I put a sign. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty weird because I'm from another dimension. That is the weirdest song ever made in dimensions. I don't know why you're in the land. Someday I hope I go on a vacation in like May.
Meow meow.
By the way, I am 7, so I'm really just a starter. Mr. Happy Monkey's 10. He's almost 11. I wish I was older right now. I wish I was older. I really just wish it, because I'd be in like an awesome grade. Montgomery Ridge is awesome. If you're in 3rd grade, well, not 3rd grade, but if you're in 4th grade and you're in Montgomery Ridge this year, you will be the luckiest people on earth.
What?
Because you get to pick your classes. Not like classes with teachers. Not like classes where you learn how to, like, learn times and whatever. I think those are the, I really have no idea. I'm actually just in 2nd grade. I'll be in 3rd grade this year, which is awesome. I have never been in 3rd grade, and I hope I know division before next year. I already know like 9 divided by 1. It's 9. Just like 9 times 1. It's 9. It's so easy. So, next time in a video, I will hopefully go on Mineplex and it will actually work. I mean, seriously. It's getting pretty weird. Tristan. Wait, Tristan, don't sing in this video, okay?
I'm not even singing. You're the one who's singing.
Good point. Mom, can I have a cookie?
Yeah, you gotta come in here though, you know the rules.
But I don't want to leave my viewers hanging.
Then watch the video.
How do I do that?
Alt P.
P.
You may not know where the alt is.
Alt. Alt? I don't get it. Alt. Wait, is it CTRL?
See you in a second, guys.
Start it.
Yep.
Tristan!
Not from the beginning, he doesn't think.
No, I didn't restart it.
And I have no idea why I just restarted the Tristan. I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, I'm back. That's so good. Okay, just another roundhouse. It's hard with a lot of lag in the game. Tristan hasn't even started his homework. Tristan, don't fart in the video. One more aisle, I think. If I have any idea what I mean. I want to take backwards. Thank you, I'm finally done with that. Now, let's get a block of iron. And start building my heart out. It's getting pretty good.
Tristan, I'm not going to help you with any of your stuff later.
I know.
Because you have just farted around this whole time.
Tristan hasn't started his homework.
What you gotta do is you gotta go to iChunks blog
Daddy.
what you gotta do, you gotta go to download. You gotta click that and it's going to bring you whoops.
WUTK
Okay.
sent me an email asking for our music.
Oh, really?
Here. That's what I was trying to do.
Well,
So it's
that's
gonna want you
cool.
to
how'd they hear about it?
I don't know, maybe in one of the thousands of emails that I sent out at some point. I don't know, it was just out of the blue. They friended us on Twitter.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm gonna start talking.
And the email right after
so-
that, you know, the notification that they followed us,
As I was thinking,
was the email that says,
I am building my little heart out.
and there was an email.
You know what? To make this quicker, I will see you guys in like. I finally finished the roof. That took like 5 minutes to complete. But it is all dark inside, which is stupid. I do not like that. So, let's light the place up a little bit. Boom. Boom. And